than Uniswap. We move on to the next thing. We're just going to take a look at really the website. So if you guys have never been to PancakeSwap, it's a very, very easy site to use. Make sure you're on pancakeswap.finance. That is the real address there. And I do want to say, guys, as well, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing, as this is not financial advice. But on the left, you can actually see home, trade, farms, polls, prediction, lottery, collectibles, team battle, as a fly almost tried to throw fly in my mouth there. So team battle, teams, profile, info, IFO, and then you also can go to more, and obviously there's more information there for you. But for the most part, you're seeing, what you see here: home, trade, farms, polls, prediction, lottery, collectibles, team battle, teams, profile, info, and IFO. So there's a lot of information that you can actually grab. If you go to Uniswap, it's not near as, I guess, in my opinion, it doesn't have many features like Uniswap, or I guess like PancakeSwap. I think PancakeSwap definitely has it better off. If you go to the trade tab, you can see exchange, and this is the one that most people are using, is the exchange tab. And if you go to the exchange, if you want to type in, let's say if I go to Cake, I think I have Cake on this account. If we go to, this wallet, I guess. If we have Cake, and let's say we want to switch it to ADA, I think I have like a decent amount of Cake on this wallet, if I remember right. If it connects here, there we go. So 172 Cake. If I went to max it all to ADA, I would get 4,993 ADA back in return. And you can just hit approve and swap. It's that simple. It's that easy. And it's just a great, really easy to use concept. And there's just, like I said, very, very low fees. And I think that's really one of the reasons why a lot of people love PancakeSwap as much as I do. If we go on the left, also there's a prediction tab. If you guys haven't been to the prediction tab, it's basically gambling. I don't highly suggest gambling at any points in time, really. So it's just one of those things that is really getting, looks like the markets are paused. Okay, so maybe there's due to an error. I guess the markets are paused right now, but if you can see on the right, we did have some results from our previous predictions. We did some on our latest video just to kind of show you guys how it worked. It's an all-time high in the last 24 hours, hit its all-time high, and it's still doing very, very well. But right now, PancakeSwap, let's take a look and let's give it a quick refresh. So we see it right now at 38.15, an 8.84% decrease in the last 24 hours, which, like I said, pretty much every coin is really doing right now, unless you're either Chainlink, obviously there's a few others, Dogecoin, and, like I said, a few others. But for the most part, we're seeing, losses and consolidation and corrections taking place in the market. So right now we do see in the last week alone a 13% increase, and in the last month about a 143% increase. So we're seeing great gradual increases that really show that the price chart is in a healthy state. And I want to give you guys those price predictions now. So jumping into May, we're going to start off with May, obviously. Jumping into May, I think we are going to reach back and hopefully reach to that $45 price point, making our all-time high. Our previous all-time high is right around 48, or I guess 44.18. I think it's definitely a possibility that we see PancakeSwap reaching right around $45 to $50 by the end of May. I think that's definitely a reasonable price prediction. Remember, guys, we always try to keep these price predictions as reasonable, really realistic and conservative as possible, because I can't stand the 100x people that always say everything's 100x, everything's 10,000x, whatever. I really do think, 44 or I guess $45 to $50 is my price prediction for May. Going into June, I think we will be pushing closer to a $60 price point. I'm going to be predicting a $60 to $70 price point by the end of June. By the end of 2021, I think we will continue to push the usability, like I said, the utility, the features that PancakeSwap really involves. I think we actually may push past Uniswap, and because of that, and really, obviously, Uniswap is going to grow as well, in my opinion, because we are getting investors into this crypto space altogether. So I think, Uniswap is going to continue to grow, but I think PancakeSwap is going to speed up, and we're going to actually see, PancakeSwap really reach around that $200 to $300 price point by the end of the year. So $200 is my price prediction for PancakeSwap. It's going to do very, very well, in my opinion. So let me, I guess leave me a comment in the comment section below. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys believe, Pancake Swap's got what it takes to reach that $200 price point. If not, let me know why you don't think so. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video